So last week I added an unbalanced fly up here, call unbalanced fly, and a boom, 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 a put unbalanced fly, kind of like a condor-y kind of thing, when price was here at 560 something, right? I put it all the way up here, put it all the way down here. And then the markets got, as I just showed you before, got extremely bullish. And it rode all the way up into our fly. So now we're in kind of a danger zone with our fly. Now we got a credit on this one. We got a credit on this one, right? Against a too wide situation. So we have risk, but it ain't over. So once we went bullish, I decided to add some bullish exposure. So we did a SPY Colvert. I think we did what, the 590.95s for Friday, right? So we got that. And there's maybe some other little trickle trades of some other things, but these are the sort of the main things that are happening. We still have the Dixie trade. So if for some reason the jobs report comes and the Dixie pops, maybe we'll make some money on that trade. Maybe not. We'll see. So this bullish narrative had me add this, but I still have these two. So I felt like I needed some kind of a hedge just in case. So let's say the markets tomorrow and even into Friday, let's say the markets rally. Well, we're going to have to close this out. And this will be for a loss, right? So if we got we got a credit for both, which was, there was one other thing that we took. We also took an SPX butterfly at 6,000, right? But that was super cheap. But again, for the move to the upside, right? I'm just scrolling back. Give me 1 second. 24, 44. Okay. 44. So I already have $44 in credit from these two, which I'm going to keep. It's mine to keep, unless I close it out or whatever. But it's a too wide vertical, which means I've got $156 at risk, right? It's a too wide vert, but I got $44, right? So that's what I have at risk. If the markets do this and shoot up, I got 156 at risk. But I also have a SPY Colvert that should do very, very well and should more than pay for what I'm going to need to get out of this one. So that would be great. I also have an SPX fly that could return a whole lot of money if we start approaching 6,000, which we will if the reports come in and Powell says something and Trump has another deal, whatever it is. So if this happens, we're okay, yes? Because this will make up for it, and this will make up for it, and we'll be just fine. Now, what happens if the market does this? Well, if it does this, then this gets back in action because I can still pin this. If this comes down into the low 580s, this will be golden, and we'll be able to close it for a credit. Put it on for a credit, close it for a credit, keep the other credit. This becomes a winning trade. This one we will lose. This one we will lose. So that's why I added some SQQQ calls so that it would protect in case this went down. And they were super cheap. They were only 25 cents. So we did that. And obviously I already told you about the VIX trades, which most likely won't work. 4 out of 10 times they work, 3 out of 10 times they work. If the market really tanks and explodes lower, falls apart into next week, great, VIX will work.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video from Trade With Me Now. Make sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel so you make sure that you catch our next video right when it's released. Also, if you have a question or comment, please leave that in the comments section below. And of course, if you want to learn more about Trade With Me Now or join our community of profitable traders, go to tradewithmenow.com. There's also a link in the description below.